Tipton County teacher charged with raping a 12-year-old former student will remain in jail after a judge revoked her bond. Alyssa McCommon was arrested September 8th, released on bond, and then rearrested after officers say she contacted the victim and threatened him not to testify. WREG's Mike Sirianni reports on today's preliminary hearing and what new evidence was introduced.
Alyssa McCommon enters Tipton County General Sessions Court Monday for a preliminary hearing after the teacher who was charged with raping a 12-year-old former student was rearrested for violating conditions of her bond. New evidence presented raised questions about whether the victim was 12 or 13 years old at the time of the alleged incident.
I mean, that's the basis of the rape of a child charge, would be based on the age of the victim, and that was the proof that was presented today, as far as that being the age at the time of the offense.
McCommon's attorney says the alleged incident was within about a week of the child's birthday.
So the reason that's important is the charge would change if the child was 13 versus 12. So obviously that's something that we're going to want to flesh out in the next court.
McCommon's charges were upgraded to aggravated stalking, harassment, and coercion after she contacted the victim by track phone on more than one occasion, even telling the victim she is pregnant with his child.
Forget we ever talked, okay? I'll raise this baby and I'll love this baby and I'll do it by myself.
Monday, an asset protection manager with Walmart testified to security video allegedly showing McCommon purchasing the track phone she used to contact the victim at a Walmart in Millington. The court was cleared Monday to allow the victim to testify. Attorney Mason says his client is in good spirits and...
I did request a previous motion for a mental evaluation, and that has come back clear at the moment. So right now she's in jail but healthy.
In the end, however, Judge Jennifer Scott revoked McCommon's bond.
Certainly, we felt the evidence went beyond what was necessary, which is just to prove that it's more likely than not, or that there's probable cause that she did in fact commit these crimes. So that's what the judge found today.
In Tipton County, Mike Sirianni, WREG News Channel 3.